In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert uploads to Google Docs format. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to googledrive.com and make sure you're already logged into your account. On the upper right corner of the screen, click the settings icon, then click settings again from the drop-down menu. This will open the full settings page for your Google Drive. Inside the settings window, stay on the general tab, scroll down slowly until you reach the upload section. This is where you control how files are handled when you upload them. In this section, find the option that says convert uploads to Google Docs editor format. Click the checkbox next to it to enable this feature. Once this is enabled, any Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file you upload will automatically be converted into Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides format, making them fully editable inside Google Drive. Keep in mind, this setting only works for future uploads. Files that are already in your drive will not be converted automatically. After enabling the option, your Google Drive is now set to handle all new uploads as native Google formats. Now go back to your Google Drive main page. On the left sidebar, click New, then click File Upload. This will open your File Explorer. Select your file. For example, choose a file named report.docx. This indicates that it is a Microsoft Word document. Click on the file once, then click Open to begin uploading. Wait for the upload to complete. You will see the progress at the bottom right of your screen. Once the upload is finished, the file will appear in your drive. You will notice that the file is now converted into Google Docs format automatically without showing the original .docs extension. Double-click the file to open it. It should open directly in the Google Docs editor, ready for editing. If you need to send the file back in its original format, click File at the top, then click Download and choose Microsoft Word .docx. This will convert the file back so it can be shared outside of Google Docs. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.